everybody. Thank you for joining me today on how to contact AES Technical Support via Skype call. We do have our online chat-based support in the bottom right-hand corner, as you see here. If you'd like to do a video call with our support, what you need to do is go up to Contacts, and then Technical Support, and click Technical Support. If you scroll down on this page, you'll see where it says S-Call. This is for a Skype call. Our username for Skype is AES Technical Support. We can go ahead and click the link here, and then open URL Skype, and this will allow me to start a call with AES Tech Support. So I'll go ahead and hit Start Call. I'm going to hang up though, because I want to show you how to connect with your phone. First thing, to use Skype on your phone, you have to go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, download Skype for your phone, and then install the application. After you install the app, just go ahead and tap on Skype. And the first thing we want to do is add AES Tech Support to your contacts. If you click on Contacts at the bottom right hand of the screen, and then the little Add Person icon in the top right hand of the screen, you can go ahead and enter AES Technical Support. So I'm going to go ahead and click the AES Technical Support, and you can see we have a bunch of different options. I'm going to go ahead and start a video call with Tech Support.
Thank you for calling AES Tech Support. This is Skip. How can I help you?
Hey Skip, I'm having a hard time getting my IntelliPro to power up. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing wrong.
Well, looks like to me that you get the interconnect cable there connected to where it says J2 to handheld. If you could just move that to the jack that says J1 to radio.
Ah, to radio. Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
Indeed. All right, so you should be all set from here on. You can see that the power is on there. The red light just came on. If you will need to go into the programming interface and just double check to make sure that the IntelliPro is being recognized by the main board. It may say that you need to accept hardware changes. If so, just click on the Accept button. That will make sure that the main board is monitoring the IntelliPro and is communicating with it appropriately.
Awesome. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Have a great day.